All right, my friends, welcome back to my podcast video. In today's video, I am going to teach you everything that you need to understand around the team tab. And the team tab dashboard contains a lot of information which I feel it is important for me to explain in this video so that anybody joining me in PopMax, they will watch this video or understand every single item that is in the team tab within your dashboard. So very quickly, I am going to dash into my screenshot that I have taken for the team tab, and then I have carefully explained each of these items that you can see on the team tab. When you click on the team tab, the first thing you see is the current market price of PPT. As you guys know, what we are maintaining in this platform is PPT, and PPT is the pop social token that has been listed in different major exchanges in the crypto space. Okay, so that is what you get. The current market price of that token is what you get on the top left corner of your team tab. Then if you come to the right hand corner here, you will see the display of your decentralized wallet. This can only display when your wallet is connected. If your wallet is not connected, it's not going to display. So what you then need to do is to tap on it, and then it will now connect to your wallet, and you will be able to see the partial display of your decentralized wallet address. Now if you go below that, on your far right here, you will see your direct referrals. It's self-explanatory, isn't it? So that means if you are referring people in PopMax, you will see the number of people that are in your team. So these are your direct team members, just so you know. And then if you go right top there where it says PO, PO is the current ranking level that you have attained if you are sharing PopMax with people, okay, with your friends and family. And then if you come to the middle here, you will see where it says personal minting performance. This is exactly the total amount of PUSD that you have in your account. And then if you come down here, you will see where it says referral code. So this referral code is your own personal referral code. This is what you give to people to register in PopMax if you are sharing it with people. If you don't want to give them your referral code, then you can copy your referral link with this button. So if you click on it, that will now copy your referral link, and then you will now be able to share your referral link with your friends and family. Below that, you will see where it is written as team members, okay? And then underneath that again, you will see again team members. So both of them are displaying the same information anyway, and they mean the same thing. So it is the total direct and your indirect team members. As you can see from this screenshot that I've taken for this particular demo account, you will see that the direct referral for this demo account is 48 people already, okay? And then the total team members, so including the indirect referral, which is second level referral, is up to 51. So this again will display your total team member if you are sharing it with people. If you are not sharing it with people, you are not going to see anything there. It will be zero, okay, that you will see there. So again, that is your total direct and indirect team members. Then beside it, you will see team performance. Okay, so this is your total team members performance contribution. So everything that all your team members have contributed is what you will see there, including your direct and indirect referrals. That's what you will see. Okay, and then coming down here to the bottom of this page, you will notice that they have level. Now on the level, what that means, okay, is the current ranking level of your direct team members. Okay, so if you are referring people, this would be the current level of that your direct team member. And then if you go beside it, you will see where it says team performance. This team performance is your indirect performance contributions. Okay, so if your team have if your direct team members have referred somebody and the person, funded his account for staking, that amount of money for your second level indirect team member will display there. And then the one next to it, which is the one that says personal minting, this one is the one that corresponds to your direct team member contribution. So for example, if you have referred Mr. A, for example, Mr. A contribution will display there. That will be his personal minting, amount that is going to display there. If Mr. A have referred Mr. B, then Mr. B's contribution for minting will be displaying under where it says team performance. Okay, and then far left here is what is called UID. Now this UID is your unique wallet address. That is what that means. It displays your decentralized wallet address. Basically, that is what it does. Okay, and then if we come further down here, you will see it says PO. You will see where it says more. So if you click on more, you will see that is going to display, if that team member have referred anybody, is going to display the level and the number of people that your direct team member has referred. Okay, so as you can see, if you follow the arrow, you will notice that this team member has already referred 2 people. Okay, so this again is showing in that when you click on more, and then of course it will tell you how many people that it has referred and the level where those people are. Okay, so basically this is what the team tab says, and this is all the things that you need to know around the team tab. So for those of you that are watching this video, very quickly, what we are doing here in PopMax is we are minting PPT. Now PPT is Pop Social Token that has been listed in 4 or 5 major exchanges in the whole world. Right now, what we are doing is we deposit minimum of $100, and then we have the option to choose between 10 days to 360 days and between 0.4% to 1% earnings per day. Okay, what I recommend for people to do is when you join with the link below this video description, if you wish to do so, select the 360 option so that you will receive the highest percentage earnings per day. Right, that's what I recommend for people to do if you are looking to join this platform. Everything in this platform is totally passive, just so you know. Okay, you do not have to refer people to earn this 1% or 0.4% that I am talking about. It's basically, passive income. The amount of money you use for your staking is the amount of money that you are going to be earning on based on the number of days that you have chosen, corresponding to the percentage daily earning. So as I said, that is basically what we do in PopMax. Everything is on the blockchain, just so you know, and it is operating on Web3 technology as well. So you do not need anybody to approve your withdrawal. Your withdrawal just go like that. Okay, within few minutes, once it confirms on the blockchain, your money will be in your account. And the good thing is you can earn every day and you can withdraw every day. That is the good thing about this platform. And the minimum to withdraw is 100 PPT, which is great. So if you would like to join this platform based on what I have explained, use the link below this video description to join this platform. Follow the instructions because I have written down step-by-step instruction. If you follow those instructions, you won't have any problem. Otherwise, please contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, or Messenger so that I will assist you to get registered. Thank you. God bless. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless. Thank you.